Hey guys, welcome again to another Canva tutorial. For today, we will be doing a 2023 planner. Let's go creating. For the meantime, this is my homepage. This is in my other account. So click create design and then we will look for the A4 size page document. There you go. Found you. And so since we're making a 2023 planner, let's look for a 2023 calendar. Even though I type in their planner, we're looking for calendars to begin everything. Let's find something designs that resonates, design that speak to us. Nothing speaking to us at the moment. How about this one? Let's see. Yeah, that one. So, because this is a template anyway, we could make some changes afterwards, but you just need a template. We could change the color, we can change the font. We do have the 2023. Let's look for the 2024. And we don't have anything yet. We don't have a calendar. How about just 2024? Nothing as well. Why did I do that? Okay. Kept on clicking things and adjusting things. Let's put you back there in the center. Add a page, and we saw this January monthly page earlier. Template, I mean. So it's just that color wise, it's not in uniform with our calendar. So the calendar is a lot lighter than the January page. So let's change the color of the what's that names of the months to the same brown as our days of the weeks in here. So it is that brown, and let's just change it to that brown and then change all. Click change all. There you go. And now, because it's too dark, we can't see the names. So let's change the font color to white. And there you go, a lot more visible. My computer is glitching at the moment, but as you can see, I changed the font color of November and I'm now highlighting all just the names of the months and then change them to white as well. There. Okay, quite happy with that one. Now, January 2023. That is good. What color is that? Let's change. Are they similar color? No, they're not. How come that looks like a lot darker? Anyway, we'll sort you out after. Let's see if this creator of this January page has a 2023 calendar. She's got 2022. Is that 23? 22. That's fine. That's fine. So duplicate January because January is already made. So we're going to do February. Okay. And then what we could do is, so we do have a reference. Just highlight, oh, oops. Okay, let's put you back. And then I'm moving about. Let's lock you. Highlight all the dates for the month of February. Group them, copy, and then paste them on our February page. There you go. And let's paste. And since February, the 1st of February starts on Wednesday. So let's delete those and then just change it manually. Change the numbers manually. I don't know how other people do it, but this is how I do it. I just change them manually. That's 4, 5, 6, and then I'll speed up this video because or else you'll get bored. There you go. Since February ends on the 28th, so that's all done. Delete that. Delete a reference. Duplicate that page again. Oh wait, so let's see first how it looks like. Oh, it looks pretty. I still don't like the calendar. We'll sort you out after. We're on a roll to this monthly editing. So I've duplicate the for the March, and then let's just group, copy, and then paste it on our March page. First of March begin on Wednesday, so we're changing the numbers again. Then you'll see here 28th ends on the Tuesday. We need to duplicate that number for 29, and as you can see, I'm adjusting them so that it's aligned to the one on top and the one on the same row. There you go. Another way to do so is just grab the show rulers and guides. Let's just zoom it in. And then from the top, from those rulers, drag down so you have a guide, as you can see there. So they're all on the same line. Duplicate that number. Are they on the same line? Let's just do this row first. And then they're on the same line. Let's drag one from is that an X? That's a Y, the Y axis one. So this one is not aligned to the one on top. So let's adjust that. Okay. And then let's get rid of these lines. Just drag them back to where they came from. There you go. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Oops. Let's change the name from January to March. Duplicate that again, and then just do it all over again from we've done March, now April, we're doing April to December. So now there's a dilemma because April has a 30th. So what I did is I just drag all those squares at the bottom, at the white space at the bottom, and then put 30th underneath. and then just left everything blank. Just double checking the numbers. Then duplicate it again for May. And then let's look everything. It's just that from January to March, there's this huge space at the bottom, that white vacant space. So just to create uniformity across, I'm dragging all those squares again. So I don't have white space at the bottom. So they are similar to the April. Just now I was looking at it and I'm not happy with it, so let's just delete all those what do you call that, let's just delete this first. Let's just delete all those squares at the bottom of the pages. March, and then for April, let's put it up. Let's see how it looks like. So there's uniformity. Okay, wait, I don't like that. Let's drag it down just one square. Is that even a square? That's a bit of a rectangle. I kept on calling it square. Okay, that will do for the moment. Let's just do everything first and we'll see how it goes.